Now I will demonstrate how to connect your STM32F401CC with STM32 CubeProgrammer via USB port, Type C port. So I soldered a 5.1 kilo ohm resistor across A9 and ground. The other end is connected at ground. After that you need to plug in your Type C cable. Now my cable is connected. You need to press N reset and boot after a sequence. First press the N reset, then boot button. So here I am pressing N reset, then after that releasing N reset, then pressing a boot button. Now the blue light is gone. Just click on this refresh button and you can see the USB port is occurred, and hit the connect button, and you are connected with your STM32 via USB Type C port.